Memorial Day. For many, it's the unofficial start of summer, barbecues, long weekends, and maybe a trip to the lake. But if you stop for a second, there's a much deeper meaning behind this day. Memorial Day is more than just a holiday on the calendar. It's a moment when I pause and remember. It's about honoring the men and women who gave their lives while serving in the United States Armed Forces. These are the heroes who never made it home, who left behind dreams, families, and futures for the sake of something bigger than themselves. But where did Memorial Day come from? It actually dates back to the years after the Civil War. Back then it was called Decoration Day. People would go to cemeteries, decorate the graves of fallen soldiers with flowers, and hold ceremonies to remember their sacrifice. Over time, Decoration Day became Memorial Day, and it grew to honor not just Civil War soldiers, but all Americans who died in military service. Today, Memorial Day is observed on the last Monday in May. Across the country, people visit cemeteries, place flags on graves, and hold moments of silence. At 3 p.m. local time, there's even a national moment of remembrance. Just 60 seconds to stop, reflect, and say thank you in your own way. For me, it's a reminder that freedom isn't free. Every right, every opportunity comes at a cost, and it's paid by real people with real stories. Sometimes it's easy to lose sight of that between the cookouts and the fireworks, but Memorial Day invites us to slow down, even for a heartbeat, and honor the heroes who made it all possible. So, this Memorial Day, I challenge you, spend a moment thinking about what this day really means. Maybe you'll visit a local memorial or share a story with friends and family. Maybe you'll just take that quiet minute at 3 o'clock to remember. However you choose to observe, do it with gratitude. Because remembering our heroes, that's what gives this day its true meaning. And that's something worth honoring every single year. And don't forget to subscribe.